Hey guys, a little quick video here on the Spitfire. This is the wiper motor. Um, this is the spinny bit. That's part of the housing. I'm just using that as a stand because it's kind of convenient. This thing, I rebuilt it probably a year ago, which was mostly just a matter of cleaning it up, but and repainting it and stuff like that. I put it in the car and ran it, and it ran once, and then died. So it literally cycled one time and then died. So if you look, I'm not going to be able to really film fixing this because I need to be able to see what I'm doing. But so there's a set of 10 contacts here, and I'm not an expert on electronics by any means, but generally these all have solder on them except for these two. So see that guy right there? It's loose. And then this guy right here. So all I'm gonna do is I've wire brushed those a little bit. I'll probably hit them with some contact cleaner, and then I'm gonna try to solder that. It's possible that I hooked this up backwards the first time and it was a dead short. I don't think so, but it's possible, and that might have melted the solder away, but I really don't think there was ever much, if any, solder on there in the first place. So these are $250 for a rebuilt one. I have the spare from the other car, of course, that I haven't done anything to, but I think that this is probably a problem. This is one of the things that you're supposed to check is the resistance between any two opposite of these conductors, and yeah, if it's not making good contact there, it's just not going to work. So yeah, I'll see if I can set this up to film it, but no promises. Hey guys, we're back. So this is attempt number 3 or 4 of resoldering the bad lead on this motor. My little soldering iron, focus, there you go, is not quite sufficient for the job. There's a lot of metal here, so I got a big honkin', ridiculously large, yeah, so that's like a 1/4 3/8 inch tip. It's way bigger than I need. The other one might have worked if I had changed the tips out, but I didn't realize I had other tips. So now I've got this guy, and a really messy workbench. I keep misplacing literally everything. So here's a little bit of solder. Actually, the first thing I'm going to do is reposition this wire to where I want it. Actually, it might be a bad idea to flux, or I've already fluxed that a little bit. I'm going to try to pin the contact. Oh man, that's like acres. Yeah, that's how you should solder. See, that took like 2 seconds, if that. I'm going to try to get these wires back in place. This is an 80-watt Weller soldering iron. Not sponsored, obviously. Just it's what they had at the store, and it was the biggest, scariest looking one they had. That's what I wanted. Let's see, I just need to push that down a little bit. Okay. I don't think the wattage matters so much as just the fact that I guess it, yeah, lets it heat up that, giant chunk of whatever metal that is that they use. Yeah. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. Here's the other one. I did get one of these to stick. Actually, I used a propane torch to heat up my little butane one. It was just it's a disaster. Yeah, I think we're just going to resolder all of these real quick.